it's me, Glenndall Gorgeous, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I am here in Boracay and I will do a beach makeup because, girl, we are here at the beach, so might as well do a makeup look. So, without further ado, let's go to the video. Brought my things here, like all of my makeup, just to do this look. Okay, so to start off, let's put some sunblock because we want to prep our skin and we don't want to damage this from the sun. Okay. So let me prep my skin with the sunblock. So I'll try to be fast as I can because this is just a beach makeup, okay? So next is the foundation, guys. This is my all-time favorite Maybelline because this is the trusty one. So let's just put just a little bit because we will go swimming after a while. So let's just put it in our face, just a light makeup, just to cover up our blemishes and all. So let's blend it, guys. So we want to have like just a light coverage because we're at the beach. We don't want to have like a pakak na makeup, okay? Oh my god, kainit. So next is we will put some concealer because I can still see my, acne marks. So let's just put a little bit to the area where it really needed, okay? So let's just put that there. Because we want to have like flawless, glowy skin. So let's just blend that. Huh? Wala ka eyeliner. So let's just blend the concealer. Oh my god. Init ka jud siya. But anyways, this is for you guys. Oh my god, apam. Apam. Oh my god. Nalanay na siya. Ako na ang Shengel.
Kaya pa sa binigay mo sa video na para na yung mga paano ba? Pak! Kaya mo naman.
So after that is we will have some mascara. So let's put some mascara, guys. And we want to have a waterproof mascara, okay? I guess that's fine. And next is let's have some brows, guys. Let's do their brows. So let's make a just natural kind of brow. So we just need to fill in this bald spots. Look at me. We are just doing this to have like a picture perfect, Instagram ready look. So it doesn't need to be perfect. You can still like sister face tune this after.
Mansad ko dito. Nanay pa ka pinbas.
Nagka-bus siya. So it's still fine, guys.
Lapas ko eh.
Chudi, uy. So I guess that's my brows already, guys. I can't do this like, I need some concentration, but this is just like a 5-minute or 10-minute makeup look, so let's just move faster. And then let's bronze our skin, guys, because you know we love a sister bronze. So at 10, just to give a little bit dimension.
Asa na dimension dai?
Kana sa balay. So this also gives like a glow from within because it has like a little bit of golden specks, guys.
Yeah, a bit. It's in brother dai.
Momoro Physician's Formula di ay. So let's contour our face, just I mean our nose just a little bit, just to give some, you know, some snatch nose. So what's left on the brush is I will just drag it to my eyes to give some dimensions again. Hello, wanat ang afam. Hi! Hi to my vlog.
Hello guys.
Oh, come na! So after like, is it good? Let me check my nose contour, guys, because I feel. So let's just blend this nose contour.
Di man?
So let's just blend that out. And then after is, we will have like some glowy skin. So let's put some highlighter. So this will give your skin like that glow that you want to be like, bitch, it's blinding. Something like that. You see that glow? So amazing. Hi!
Vlogger daw, kahit saan ka pwede ka mag-vlog.
Hi, subscribe to my channel. It's Glenndall Gorgeous. Glenndall Gorgeous, guys.
Ano naman kahit saan yan?
So,
Oh, di ba?
oh my God.
Go!
So,
Today, hi to my fan. Hi.
hi, please subscribe to my channel. It's Glenndall Gorgeous. I do like lifestyle and beauty vlogs and some comedy charot. Oh, influencer of the year yan. So let's just put it all over our face to have that glowy skin that we want to achieve.
What's the title again sa imong makeup?
It's the, I am doing a bitch makeup. Not bitch, that bitch like bitch, but bitch like the Boracay, okay? Can you see that? Oh my God, look at that glow. Look at the glow. Is that a live?
No.
It's a vlog?
No, vlog.
Yeah, oh my God,
Vlog
hi
din.
everyone. Welcome to my channel, it's Glenndall Gorgeous. Thank you.
Glenndall Gorgeous lang. Kapag plano talaga eh.
So let's put it all over. And then after that, let's put some gloss, guys, because
Put some gloss, guys, because
so to have that healthy lips, let's put some gloss. Baby boy show.
baby boy show.
So this is from Colourpop. Can you see that? It's so amazing. It gives you a healthy lips. And then we want to achieve like a, what do you call that? Drunk blush. So let's just put this in the back of our hand and then tap, tap, tap. Okay. And then put it on our cheeks. Just to give that sun-kissed effect. Oh my god, I love my lips. To let the products melt on our face, just to give that natural look. So let's spray this with our favorite Milani Make It Last, okay? So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoy this beach makeup tutorial, and please do subscribe if you haven't already, and click that notification bell to notify every time I upload a new video. Slay and have a gorgeous day. Bye!